I'm Bob Stevens, and I'm proud to have created Dylan's Birthday Walk here in Larne. It's based on his poem in October, which he mentions his 30th birthday, where he wakes up in the morning in the boathouse behind us, and then he wanders down through the town and the harbour, and up through Sir John's Hills Woods, which we call Milkwood, to a high point on the shoulder of the hill, where he thinks about the years passing and what his future is going to be. The walk is approximately 2 miles in length. It begins at the car park under the castle and the Heron Priesthood shore, and wanders up through Milkwood to a high point on Sir John's Hill. If you do the walk and walk in his footsteps, you can actually interpret what he sees. The wood, the river and the sea, the castle as brown as ours. It's so simple, and it makes people appreciate his poetry that much more. He spent most of his adult life in Larne. He loved it so much he created what I regard as his best poetry here. He had 3 homes over his period: Seaview, the Browns, as you say, where he drank, and the Boathouse, which is world famous. 2014 is going to be a huge celebration of Dylan's centenary for his birth. It'll be worldwide, including Swansea, Larne and New Quay. Well, I'd like to invite people to come on their birthday, especially, to do the Dylan Thomas birthday walk and arrive at this point. They can then read out the final verse and return to the township, where I've arranged for them to have a free pint in the pub, free bag of chips, free entry to the boathouse and many other gifts. There's no better way to celebrate a poet than by reading out the words that he strived so hard in his writing sheds to perfect, and he'll be up there smiling down upon you.